Okay, everybody. So, here are your notes for today. They're in Schoology under this notes tab. If you hit that notes tab, it's going to take you and you're going to open into this introduction to exponential functions. Now, I'm going to type in some information and we're going to drag and drop some information. This is just your second of the 3 functions. So in this definition box, this is a text box. We can type, this is a function that has a variable, which is going to be x, in the exponent. Okay, so it's going to have a variable in the exponent, so it's going to be up. All right, characteristics that has a y-intercept at 0, 1. So remember, that's start your origin, go up 1, unless it's shifted up or down, which we'll talk about that later. It's either going to be growing or decaying, so it's going to be going up really fast or down really fast. The domain is all real numbers, and the graph is continuous, so it has no breaks. So an exponential function is going to look like this. Okay, it's going to have a little curve. It's going to look like it's straight and then a little curve. All right, it's also going to, this is growth, that's getting bigger. This is decay, it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller and then looks like it's going straight. Those are 2 exponential graphs. That does not look like it, nor does this. And you know these 2 are linear. Okay, so exponential graphs look like this. Quadratic, which we'll talk about later, and linear or non-exponential. Now, when we go to the second page, your base, sorry, excuse me, your base is your B. So you want to drag this B. So make sure you have all 4 arrows. Your base is B. My initial term, that is my A value in my equation right there. And my exponent is, of course, my x. Okay, exponential growth. This is a text box. You know it's exponential growth from an equation or from a graph. Okay, from the equation, your b is greater than 1. Okay, so your b value is going to be greater than 1. It's decay if b is between 0 and 1. Okay, greater than 1, growth, if it's between 0 and 1, and decay. So if I look here, this first graph on the top, is it getting bigger or is it getting smaller? It's getting bigger, so that is a growth. This one, it's getting smaller, that is a decay. This one's getting bigger, that is definitely growth. This little bit. And this one's getting smaller, that is decay. All right. Now, what you need to do here is you need to just drag and drop. We'll do a couple together. So if I look here, there's my b value. It's whatever's attached to my variable. This is between 0 and 1. So that means I'm going to put decay over here. This is decay. Now, which graph is also decay? No, yes. So another one. This is my b. It's whatever's attached to the x. That's a 5 since it's bigger than 1. That's going to go under my growth. So growth is on the left, decay is on the right. You need to finish this slide and then submit.